Section 3.4, example 4, investigating the order of function compositions. So suppose f of x gives a miles that can be driven in x hours, and g of y gives a gallons of gas used in driving y miles. Which of these expressions is meaningful? F of g of y or g of f of x? So let's take a look at input versus output. So f of x gives miles that can be driven in X hours. So we input hours and output miles. So input hours and output miles. Gives the gallons, and G of Y gives the gallons, so output gallons. Used in driving Y miles, input miles. So now let's see, F of G of Y. So F of G of Y. So for this one, it looks like we need to input hours. So input hours doesn't make much sense because our G of X outputs gallons. So F of gallons, we cannot compute. But now let's look at the opposite, G of F of X. We have G of F of X outputs miles, which is exactly what we need to input in order to output gallons. So this one here makes more sense. Or it's more meaningful. Kind of wording the same way that the question was worded. So this is actually meaningful. So our actual computation that we could compute here is going to be our G of F of X. So G of F of X would actually give us a response that's meaningful. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.